with meteorologist Ben Cathey.
All right, tracking a nasty storm down in Monroe County. First, I want to take you to the storm that produced damage that we can confirm. This is in Roane County, and this big tree, healthy tree, taking out the fence. Roane County Highway Department is on scene along with the power crews cleaning up the action. So that storm came from the Roane County area, then went through Loudon, and we've been watching that very carefully. No longer severe, but this storm, let us know if you're near Acorn, Hopewell Springs. This may have produced a little bit of damage. So there is still some rotation right here. You see those Christmas colors? That's heading to the radar. That is heading away from the radar. And it does have what we call a hook to it as we go south the tail of the dragon. So this kind of like a fish hook right here on the southern flank of the storm. Here's where it's going right now. Rafter Wachisi and Jenkins Meadow. Again, this is tail of the dragon towards Deals Gap. And signs on radar point to possible damage signatures a little bit earlier this hour. Norris Lake 529, Alder Springs 545, Coreyton 612 into East Knox County. North and East Knox County along with Union County was the bullseye for storms today, and they did form there. It's 81 in Maynardville, and then this yellow pool is what we call a cold pool that has dropped temperatures since it's rained. Here's what we're tracking in the First Alert Weather app. Note to self, small but mighty storms over the next few days. Low coverage, high impact. Most days, about a 10% chance of rain. 3 chances at the middle 90s, including in just a couple of days. 93, 92 degrees out there. How about this evening? Still a chance of rain through about 7, 8 o'clock. 80 degrees to 78 to 77. Sticky weather late tonight as we fall to a low of 68. Pretty mild overall. Maybe you'll be able to save a couple bucks on the power bill. Here's the forecast where you live tomorrow. 93 Knoxville, Pigeon Forge, 94 Etowah, 92 Kingston. Small chance of rain yet again in the valley, which is a little atypical for this setup. 90 Stearns, 93 Newport, 78 in the National Park. Wednesday night into Thursday, setting up a pretty beautiful day. This time, what you would expect in some mountain thunderstorms. It's all about the heat in this forecast. 90s, 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 several shots at the middle 90s, but not 100. The last time we were at 100 was the hottest weather Knoxville ever experienced. This back-to-back 105 days. That ain't happening, but it will be hot. We'll talk about that in the app. Later in the forecast, a lot of sunshine. We are bumping up the rain chances for this weekend. Deja vu all over again. Hottest weather in quite a long time by next Tuesday and Wednesday, 96, 95.
All right. Thank you, bud. Today's world.